Namaste, all of you. My name is Dr. Ritu Singh Rajput, Faculty of Agriculture and Veterinary Science. Today's topic is tissue and organ transplantation. A organ transplantation is a surgical operation in which a failure or damaged organ in a human body is removed and replaced with a functioning one. The donated organ may be from a disease donor and living donor or an animal. Organ that can be transplanted are the heart, kidney, liver, lungs, pancreas, intestine, thymus. Tissue include bone, tendons, cornea, skin, heart valves, and nerves and veins. Worldwide, the kidney are the most commonly transplanted organs, followed by the liver and the heart. History. Sir Peter Videver, father of transplantation, worked on graft rejection and acquired immune tolerance in 1944 and showed that skin allograft between two mice are rejected. Alexis Carrel, the Nobel Prize in Physiology or Medicine 1920 was awarded to Alexis. Carrel is the recognition of his work on vascular structure and transplantation of blood vessel and organs. Bruce in 1981 first successfully heart-lung transplanted took place at Stafford University Hospital. Dr. Edward, the first successful human corneal transplantation, has done on 1905. Types of transplant. There are some kind of transplant like autograft, allograft, isografts, xenograft, split transplant, and domino transplant. Autograft is a transplant of tissue from one clone cell. Sometimes this is done with surplus tissue or tissue that can regenerate or tissue more desperately needs elsewhere. Sometimes this is done to remove the tissue and then treated it or the person before returning it. Allograft is allograft transplant of an organ or tissue between two genetically non-identical members of the same species. Most human tissue and organ transplant are allograft. Isograft, a subset of allograft, is which organ or tissue are transplanted from a donor to genetically identical recipients. Isografts are the differentiated from the types of transplant because the while they are automatically identical to the allograft. Xenograft, a transplant of an organ or tissue from a one species to another. Xenograft is often a extremely dangerous types of transplant because of increased risk of non-compatibility, rejection, and disease carried in the tissue. Example including porcine heart valves, which are the quite common or successful. The later researchers study directly for potential use in successful. Split transplants, sometimes a deceased donor organ, usually a liver, may be divided between two recipients, especially an adult or a child. This is not usually a preferred option because a transplantation of whole organ is more successful. I hope you are satisfied with this session. If you have any query, write down in comment box. This session is powered by Digital Version 2.0, Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University. Thank you.